Match at R. Premadasa Stadium, Colombo. Sri Lanka won the toss, elected to bat first. Sri Lanka 49.2 overs, 244 runs all out. Charity Asalanka is the highest scorer. 106 runs, 123 balls. Then Bangladesh team best bowling spell Taskin Ahmed, 10 overs, 2 maiden, 47 runs, 4 wickets taken. Bangladesh team 35.5 overs, 167 runs all out. Bangladesh team highest scorer Tanjid Hassan Tamim, 62 runs, 61 balls. Then Sri Lanka team best bowling spell one Indo Hasaranga, 7.5 overs, 2 maiden, 10 runs, 4 wickets taken. Sri Lanka won by 77 runs in this match. Player of the match, Charity Asalanka. Congratulations, Sri Lanka cricket team.